Sundskeittiö, Kaviokatu 2 to 4, and Metsäkangas, Lahti, staircase B.
Yes, it's in Metsäkangas, one of the suburbs of Lahti. Lahti here in Päijät-Häme, Finland. Päijät-Häme is Swedish. And the right was here, yeah. Actually got 977, so probably R977.
Yeah.
The serial number is H37868, and the says also just open as button itself too. Interesting. And will be inspected in next year, 2022, and it's turning 45 years old. I like to see a lemon yellow color here.
Yeah, same.
I think they could have made this faster, but it's nice that it has memory with lamps.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have expected that it has memory because outside it's only like button and not the occupied light.
Somebody's probably coming. I saw some. Yeah.
Say the year about the 70s, it's probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of them have December 76. So December 1976.
Yeah.
Yes. It was like the turn of the year 1976, 77.
Yeah. It's I think 1 rat is enough.
Yeah, because it was slow and it took too much time because of this error in your camera and because somebody was coming.
Yeah.
And because we don't have enough time.
Yeah.
There is no time. Time doesn't exist. We don't have time.
Yeah.
I think it's the same thing here, like 320 outside, 325 outside. So they put the one outside.
Yeah.
Because they didn't have enough of them with 5 on it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a very common problem here. In these MP8 fixtures, I've seen quite a lot of it.
Yeah.
That's quite strange.
Yeah.
They have made so many of them with 320 and they have to use them also.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching.